My name is Sri Mulyati. I'm now 21 years old. I'm currently studying at Universitas Negeri Padang. I major in English education. The reason why I major in English education is that English has quite favorable job prospect at the moment, especially in the digital era that demands wider relationship. English is one of the most widely spoken foreign language and is considered the official language of the country. In addition, I really enjoy planning and evaluating. I am also able to mingle with people in the company with the same vision and mission. I want to be a translator, and I am sure I can apply my college major well here. I want to become a translator because the job prospects are very bright and very good and very suitable for the English education department. In addition, this profession is often needed in all areas of expertise. For example, in the field of economic, law, and tourism. I also really enjoy mingling and helping others. I want to help people understand each other and communicate efficiently through this translator. Because I want to be a translation from English into Indonesian or vice versa. So, I have tried to prepare and study English and Indonesian well. Besides, I have prepared myself so that I can practice continuously. For me, a good translator must be able to master the search language and the target language. The interpreter must also understand well the content material to be translated. In other words, the translator makes the project to be worked on. A translation must also be used to working carefully and carefully. The process of translating will experience in dealing with something. Therefore, from now on, I learn to translate well. Ask someone who knows better if you don't understand, and I often follow. In carrying out any word letter, of course, there will also be obstacles as well as the field that I want to work in later. I must also have qualified knowledge to translate well, because English capital alone is not enough and still lacking. I understand that in order to work in this field of translator, I have to really study the criteria for a good translation. I also have to know and learn technical terms when I translate text on certain topics, such as hold, music, or the like. This is difficult when later a translator has to translate article on topic of finance, automotive, machinery, and law. Their term don't yet have an equivalent term in Indonesia, and even if there is, it's not always known to everyone. Actually, the translation doesn't limit changing sentences from the search language to the target language. There are a few things to understand and a lot to consider in the process, and the process is not copy-pasting text into Google Translate. Some people even go on to study translation focus. To overcome all these obstacles and control myself, of course, I personally have to really continue to learn to understand the search language with the target language well. It's not enough to have good English skill. I also have to try to get additional information to support the translation word letter. Of course, what I'm looking for in a job is a salary that match my job. However, there is also something more important at work I look for. New friendship or networking so that I can gain more knowledge and experience as a millennial. I also want to be able to develop myself and improve my skill and expertise at work. Yes, I think the success that I have had in this 2 years is that I can learn more and more English vocabulary and improve the language as well as Indonesian. I feel successful in being able to apply my skill to several people who need my help, like friends from different majors asking for help to translate their assignment. And I feel a failure when I can't help him, not because I don't want to, but when someone asks for help, I feel that I have not been able to do what they want, or in other words, the task given to me is too difficult for me. Okay, for me, the standard of success in work is welfare at work itself. This welfare can be judged from how comfortable I will be working with the team the future and how suitable the job is what my interests and hobbies to have developed during my job as a translator. Okay, my profession goal is when I can expose my abilities in my field of work and I'm able to position myself as a person who understand the duties and responsibilities in terms of work, will translation relationship and work relationship with other team in the future and focus and be consistent with the goals and objective. And what I hope for in this job is that I can always be able to position myself in terms of work. In addition, I also hope to explore all my abilities here. I also hope that in carrying out the work of translator, I can get a prosperous life in the future. Okay, and I can leave this when this job is no longer to my heart content because when my thoughts are not in line with the work, I can leave it and look for another job that suits my abilities again.